Alrighty, so this is our seated leg extension machine that's going to work your quads. Make a couple adjustments here. We have this pull tab. This is going to raise and lower your roller at the bottom. And this right here is going to push it out or push it in. I want the greatest range of motion, so mine will come all the way in. Then select your weight over here. With this roller pad, you want to make sure it fits right here on the crest between your shin and your foot. And then you have your back pad that you can adjust with this lever. You pull that lever, then you can move this back pad back and forth. Find the appropriate adjustment, release the lever, apply pressure, make sure the back pad doesn't move. Grab these two handles, and you're going to extend the leg out in front of you and contract the muscle. And come on back. And that is the seated leg extension.